We'll guide you through how to turn down color level in Krita. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy way to adjust colors and improve the look of their images without complex tools. Open Krita and go to File, then click Open to begin the process. Select your image from the file browser and click Open to load it into the workspace. Once the image appears, go to the Layers docker and select your image layer so you can work on it. Right-click the selected layer and choose Duplicate Layer to create a copy for safe editing. Make sure the duplicate layer is selected before continuing. Move to the top menu, click Filter, then click Adjust, and select HSV Adjustment from the list. The HSV dialog window will appear on your screen. In this window, you will see the hue slider, the saturation slider, and the lightness slider, which control color properties. Adjust the hue to around -20 to slightly shift the colors. Then adjust the saturation to around -20 to reduce intensity. After that, adjust the lightness to around -30 to darken the image slightly. Enable the preview checkbox so you can see changes in real time while adjusting. Carefully fine-tune the sliders slightly until the result looks balanced. Once satisfied, click OK to apply the adjustment. Next, go to Layer and choose New Filter Layer to apply changes non-destructively. Choose HSV Adjustment again and adjust the settings if needed without affecting the original layer. If the effect looks too strong, lower the layer opacity to soften the result. Review the overall contrast and tone of the image to ensure it looks natural and consistent. Finally, go to File, choose Export, and save your final image in your desired format. We will continue by double-checking each adjustment to confirm nothing looks unnatural or overly processed. Take a moment to zoom in and out of the image to evaluate details and overall balance at different scales. Keep changes subtle to maintain image quality. You can also toggle the visibility of the filter layer to compare before and after results easily for reference.